in my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
5 minutes craft to do when you are bored at home.
Hey guys, it's Mannat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about 5 minutes craft to do when you are bored at home. So for this video, I made 5 DIYs. So the very first one is DIY pins, also known as DIY patches. So for making these patches, you will be needing some prints, like some printouts. You'll also be needing some foam sheets and glue. Obviously, I used glue for pasting the prints on the foam sheet, but I also like applied glue on top of them just to make them look little shiny, and they'll become little sturdy as well. So yeah, the second DIY is a DIY sticker making. I made the stickers on sticker paper. If you don't really have sticker paper, I'll link a video in the description of mine's. I made it, I don't really remember when I made it, but I'll link it in the description. I made that video without using sticker paper, so I think that may help you. For coloring the stickers, you can use like watercolor pens or like sketch pens or something. I personally used brush pens for coloring them. You can even use crayons. Coming on to the third one, it is known as string pull flower art. So I made this art with thread. Obviously it says string pull flower art, that means you have to use string for making this art. I made it using dark pink paint. I made it on drawing sheets, like drawing paper. The fourth DIY is a coaster making. I made the coasters using cardboard.
A small sheet of plastic. No, sorry. A small piece of plastic sheet.
Okay, I'll repeat it. So the fourth DIY is DIY coaster making. I made the coaster using cardboard. You will also be needing brush pens or watercolor pens. Also, you'll be needing a piece of plastic sheet and water spray for making this coaster, and this coaster turns out really beautiful. Coming on to the last DIY of this video, I made keychains. I made 2 keychains. The first one is of Starbucks and the second one is of BTS. I made it using hot glue. And yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also visit my website, the link is in the description. And if you want to purchase anything from the material requirements, I would link some of them in the descriptions. Obviously all of them are not possible. I would link some of the materials link to buy them online in the descriptions. So if you want, you can go and check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching.